attempt to install these collar ties. So our game plan is we're gonna pull our measurement off the floor here. Should be about 7'2" and then we're gonna level. We'll level the collar tie going across this way, and then we're gonna go down to the other side of the room and pull the same measurement off the floor, and then we'll level that collar tie, and then we're gonna run a string line from this collar tie to that collar tie, chalk a line, and then we'll be able to set our each additional collar tie on that line, level each one across as we go, and it should look square. So even if we're not totally level, we'll be the same distance off of this floor. So it'll get us a nice straight line down the room, so that when we go to hang the drywall, it'll look nice and straight instead of looking all crooked, which you definitely don't want. We thought we would just use deck screws, but that's really not sufficient. The shear strength of a deck screw is going to be less than this screw. What this is here, we've got these headlocks, 2 7/8. This replaces a 3/8 lag. So what we've done is we have 2 on each side. Now this fastener is about 3/16. I say it's a 1/4 inch thick with the threads. So what we had to do is pre-drill the boards, because the first one we tried split the board. So with the price of lumber, we don't want to be splitting boards. So we're just gonna have to pre-drill 4 holes on each collar tie all the way down. So let's show you what that looks like. Okay, we have our collar tie here. If you look all the way down at the end, you'll see there's a collar tie right around there. So now we're going to pull our string. Well, we're trying to run the string line, but there is a bow from the old rafters. So we're trying to match it up with these corners and run it all the way down, but with the bow and the roof line, I don't think it's going to work. So we're just going to move them over a little bit so they clear these rafters, and then we should be able to set our board on that string, get us a straight line. All right, homeboys and homegirls, that wraps up the collar ties. I gotta say, all in all, it turned out good. I do like the fasteners. Let me just show you what we did. I gotta say, all in all, it turned out pretty good. It took us 3 hours to cut these. They were all about 46 inches long, These are 2x6s, and we fastened them with 2 3/4. So it looks good. I like it.